If you're choosing between Cloudflare and Vercel, this is not a simple which one is better. It's a performance platform versus developer platform battle. So which one actually wins? Let's break it down. Cloudflare is built for performance, security, and global scale. It runs on one of the largest edge networks in the world, with hundreds of locations serving content close to users. That means faster load times, near zero cold starts, and strong protection against attacks like DDoS. It also bundles a lot of services, CDN, DNS, caching, serverless functions, and storage, all in one platform. The biggest advantage is efficiency and cost. Cloudflare often has a very generous free tier and cheaper bandwidth at scale. The downside is complexity. It's not as beginner-friendly, and the developer experience isn't as smooth. Vercel takes the opposite approach. It's built for developers, especially front-end teams using frameworks like Next.js. You push code, and it deploys instantly with preview links, automatic builds, and a very polished workflow. It also has excellent features like image optimization, analytics, and seamless Git integration. The biggest advantage is simplicity and speed of development. Everything just works. The downside is cost and limits. Bandwidth can get expensive, and scaling can become unpredictable. So the real difference is this. Cloudflare is infrastructure first, while Vercel is developer first. Choose Cloudflare if you want maximum performance, global edge speed, strong security, and better pricing at scale. Choose Vercel if you want the best developer experience, especially for React or Next.js apps, with fast deployment and minimal setup. Bottom line, Cloudflare is better for performance and scalability, while Vercel is better for ease of use and front-end development. And many advanced teams actually use both together for different purposes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.